Hello, I'm Dr. Michael Brown with onstageRx.com, and I'm here today with a short tutorial on how to use your Albuterol Inhaler. For more information about the science behind the Albuterol Inhaler and how to use it, see our more in-depth video, but this will be a short introduction. When you first get your Albuterol Inhaler, you must make sure that it's primed first by simply pressing it a few times till you get a nice even spray. You should do this whenever you have your inhaler for the first time, or if you've dropped your inhaler or you haven't used it in about 2 weeks. Now, once you have your inhaler, you want to take the cap off of it and make sure everything's clean around it. Then you're going to shake it for 10 to 15 times. Now, without the inhaler in your mouth, you're going to take a big deep breath in and a deep breath out. When you're done with that deep breath out, you'll put the inhaler in your mouth above your tongue with your lips around the mouthpiece. Like that. Now, you're going to start breathing in first. Not push your inhaler, but start breathing in first. And right after you begin breathing in, then you'll press the inhaler. And when I do the demonstration, you'll be able to hear a noise that your Albuterol inhaler won't make, but this is a demo model. When you hear that noise, you'll see that I take and I push the inhaler after I start breathing in. As you breathe in, you'll breathe in as slow as you can and as deep as you can. And then you're going to hold your breath. This is very important. Don't just breathe out everything you just breathed in very quickly. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath for about 10 seconds or as long as you comfortably can, and then exhale slowly or breathe out slowly. And that's the whole entire process. Then you'll repeat that again for 2 puffs, which will be a full dose of your Albuterol Inhaler as prescribed by your primary care provider. So I'm going to go through all the steps here, taking the cap off, making sure it's clean, shaking it 10 to 15 times, deep breath in, out. And then you'll repeat this step all over again. I hope this has been a helpful, informational video for you. Again, if you have any questions, please see your primary care provider. Once again, I'm Dr. Michael Brown with onstageRx.com.